Welcome to Health Kalp, your go-to channel for health and wellness tips. December is here, and with it comes the joy of chilly mornings, festive celebrations, and of course, a whole array of delicious seasonal foods. But do you know what's best to eat this month to stay healthy and energized? Stick around to discover the ultimate December diet plan that will keep you warm, nourished, and glowing through the winter. First, let's talk about why seasonal eating is important. Foods harvested in their natural season not only taste better, but also pack the most nutrients. Eating seasonally can strengthen your immunity, which is particularly important in December when winter brings along colds and flu. Plus, seasonal foods are often more affordable and environmentally friendly. So eating with the seasons is a win for both your health and the planet. Now let's dive into the must-have foods for December. Citrus fruits are loaded with vitamin C, which boosts your immunity. They also help maintain healthy skin during the dry winter months. A glass of warm lemon water in the morning can do wonders for your digestion. Leafy greens are in their prime during winter. They're rich in iron, calcium, and antioxidants, making them essential for your December meals. Try adding spinach to soups or making a mustard green curry to pair with rotis. Root veggies are perfect for keeping you warm. They're packed with fiber, vitamins, and natural sugars that provide sustained energy. Roasted sweet potatoes or beet salads are great options. Winter is the best time to munch on nuts and seeds. They're rich in healthy fats that support brain health and keep your skin from drying out. Start your day with a handful of nuts or sprinkle seeds on your oatmeal. Spices like ginger and turmeric not only add flavor but also offer powerful anti-inflammatory properties. A cup of ginger turmeric tea can be your ultimate winter elixir. Are you finding these tips helpful? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Health Kalp for more such health insights. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Here are some quick and easy recipes using these seasonal ingredients. A hearty soup made with carrots, spinach, and sweet potatoes. Add a pinch of cinnamon for a cozy twist. Mix orange slices, grapefruit, and a drizzle of honey for a refreshing and immune-boosting dish. Boil fresh ginger slices with turmeric and a dash of black pepper. Add honey for sweetness. Grated beets mixed into whole wheat flour with spices make for colorful and nutritious parathas. While we focus on what to eat, it's equally important to know what to avoid. Limit sugary treats and deep-fried snacks as they can lower your immunity. Instead, opt for natural sweeteners like jaggery and honey to satisfy your sweet tooth. Enjoying these tips? Show your support by liking this video and subscribing to Health Kalp. Let's grow our healthy community together. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. In winter, we often forget to drink enough water. Staying hydrated is crucial for your body to function properly. Warm water, herbal teas, and soups are excellent options to keep yourself hydrated and warm. December is also a festive month. Enjoy treats like plum cake or gajar halwa in moderation. Pair them with healthier options like roasted nuts or fruit salads to balance your indulgences. December is a magical time, and with these tips, you can make it healthier and more flavorful. Start incorporating these seasonal superfoods into your diet, and you'll feel the difference in your energy and well-being. Thank you for watching. Remember, health is wealth, and we're here to help you make the best choices. See you in the next video.